guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi. My name is Njoki Raey, but if you're a returning subscriber, an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for the support. So, and it's been a minute. The last time I vlogged, I was like, yeah, I'm done with exams, so guys will be getting 2 videos a week. Then boom, 1 month, nowhere to be seen. But I can explain, but I will do that later. Today I want to go and buy some stuff in Tao, but we'll go together, then I will show you. I have a lot of life updates, but I will tell you maybe tomorrow. It's on Friday the 21st of May. I think it's going to be a weekend vlog, so I'm going to share with you what I've been up to the past few weeks. But the first update is I'm a plant mom. Yeah, let me show you the plants that I have. 3. There's this one, and this one. I haven't gotten a planter for them, but I will. Okay, so this I've had it for like a week or so. I had planted it not on this tin, but I think I put a lot of water. It almost died, but I changed the soil. Then I put drainage over here. I don't know if you can see. Then these ones I got yesterday. When they shika the soil well, I'm going to transfer them on a planter, then put them in the house. Yes, that is the first update. I am a plant mom. Now let me go take breakfast. It is 12:12. Let me go take breakfast, then prepare, then we go. We have coffee and some chapos. Let's take breakfast, then we see what next. Yo, I'm done. You're looking cute. Or whatever. Let's run errands. First the bank, then we have to go to ferry, not out. Let me show you my outfit, then we go. So I'm wearing a black dress, cover up, Hi guys, it's on Saturday. So yesterday when I came back from town, I was so exhausted and it was late. All I was thinking was making supper and sleeping. I did not show you what I bought, but basically I bought a laundry basket. I will show you, and two racks, plastic racks, and I stocked up on food, Dogo. So today's on Saturday. I'm done cleaning up, so I want to go after breakfast. Then I come, I take breakfast. Then I'm thinking of going thrifting. Yeah. Then we see where the day leads. Let me first show you what I got on town. I won't show you the food, the stuff, maybe pack it up kwa cabinet jana, but wacha nikuonyeshe the racks I got and the laundry basket. So this is the laundry basket that I got. We're not going to talk about those clothes. They are for around 2 weeks, but tutaishughulikia by the time the weekend inaisha. I got it for 480. Then there's this rack. I got 2 of them, one for my hair, makeup, beauty, excess things. Hapa kuna laptop. Here they are excess shopping. And the other one, here vyombo. I got each for 500 bob. Yes, now let me go and look for breakfast, then we go thrifting. It's on Sunday. So yesterday after going thrifting, I came back. I was so tired. I just napped. But I got a bit of what I wanted, and I'm so glad for that. So I don't know if I mentioned what happened when I was away. So basically, immediately after exams, I got a gig, a job. Then I worked there for around 3 weeks. Then things started happening, things that I couldn't control. So I basically quit before it got worse. Then that made me go into a funk. So I was a bit anxious, depressed for like leaving. Then I had to pick myself up because school started. So the whole of last week I was in school, and school is hard. Me, I'm tired. I'm tired, but niliona zile memes za ati unachagua engineering kushtua community, lakini sasa hiyo ndio inakushtua, wewe ndio unajishtua. It's true, but I didn't choose kushtua community. And then there's this one that ati mimi na degree tunapimana nani atamaliza mwingine. Nikai degree tanimaliza before nimalize. So I'm going to take coffee kwanza. There's some leftover food yenye ilibaki from yesterday, some dengu and chabo, but you will have for lunch. So I'll just take coffee because what is the time? It is 10:30. So I'm not that hungry. I'll just take coffee, then watch a movie. Naendelesha Blacklist season 7. I never got time to watch it. Then there's this series that I learned about it juzi tu, Mtoko in Sugar, because season 1 to season 5, and then season 2 iko na NB. Where I binge watched that series for a minute. Iko perfecto. We had plans today, but sijui kama they're still there. If it happens, they're still there, we will go together. Also, I'm feeling terribly at being a plant mom. Let me show you my plants first. So these are my babies, and me, I don't know what's happening. Look, like for instance here, the only good leaf here, and it is also starting to turn yellow. This other one, this one has turned yellow. This one was a bit yellow yesterday. Ona sahi asubuhi. This here, this one, me, I don't know what's wrong. All of them are yellow. Sijui ni kuinfectiwa ama it's a lot of water. I don't know, but I'm sad. Let me take breakfast. We'll catch up later.